Siapa aja, Sir, yang Sir panggil tadi, Sir? Salsali, Sir.
Yes, Salsali and Lourdes. Okay. Students, before we start our lesson, like I said last week, ya, before Zoom, before Zoom, setiap sebelum Zoom, Sir Juan give point to you if you have finished your typing. Okay, Pluto class, who still remember until lesson or box number what? We have to finish before Zoom now. Box number? No one?
Maksudnya, Sir?
Ya, maksudnya begini. Okay, please listen to me. Maksudnya like this. As last week, di PDF file, Sir Juan tell you have to, in assignment, bagian assignment, you have to finish your typing until box number 5. You still remember? Masih ingat?
Masih, Sir.
Okay, thank you. Mumtaz ya. Okay. Okay, now we want to see. Perhatikan Kit. Okay, I want to see and let's see. Mari kita lihat sama-sama. Let's see together your progress of your typing. Yeah, class. This is Pluto class. Okay, this is Pluto class. And look at here. Wow, Pluto IB 1 still not yet login. Who is this? Adelia. Have Adelia in this Zoom? Can you respond, Adelia? Adelia not join?
Nggak ada, Sir.
Okay. Aaron Watuka. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, complete ya, Aaron. You get point.
Yakin, Sir, si Aaron buat sendiri, Sir.
Oh.
Alah.
Nggak boleh gitu, Johnson. Ya. Because I just see, Sir Juan just see this here. Ya. 1. Okay, next. Asanda Sitinja, Asanda, why still number 3? You don't continue until number 5. Okay. For the student, yeah. Before Zoom, ini deadline-nya before Zoom ya, before Zoom deadline. So if now, jika sekarang we don't see until number 5, you don't get point ya. Christian, how about you, Christian? Still number 3. You don't do also, Christian? Can you respond?
I already do it.
So you can see here, Christian. You can see box until number 3. The letter is.
But why yesterday I already finished?
You have done until what number? What letter? Sorry, what letter?
Lesson number 5.
You still remember the letter? The first one, Z, F, and space. U, R, and key. T, E, and I. For C, J, and N.
Yes,
and
I remember that. That also I remember. I'd already do that.
The beginner review 1, you have done?
Yes, I remember. I already do that.
You use the other username, Tian, and password. You don't remember. You forget it. Yeah.
Mungkin.
Okay, students, this is important ya. Ini sangat penting sekali. I remind you again. I remind you again. Yeah, I repeat one more time. This is very important, students. Every time, yeah, when you want to type in typing.com, you have to use the username and password that I have given to you, yang udah saya kasih sama kalian. If you use the other username, kalau kalian gunakan username yang lain dan password yang lain, ini progres kalian, kerja kalian tidak masuk di sini, sia-sia nantinya. Ya, you can use the other device, bisa menggunakan device yang lain. The example, in school you want to use this smartphone atau this laptop. At home atau di mana saja kamu mau menggunakan komputer yang lain, it is okay, no problem. The important one,
Bisa kan pakai HP, sir?
username dan passwordnya harus sama. Okay, who just speak?
Sir, bisa kan pakai HP, sir?
Bisa kalau handphonenya support, tapi sometimes ada beberapa bagian yang tidak support, maka dia black, nggak bisa. Tapi kalau memang bisa berarti handphonenya itu support dan bisa lanjut. Oke. Tian, so this is ini pelajaran buat semuanya yang lain juga, ya. You must login with your username and your password, ya. If you don't use it, kalau nggak kamu gunakan itu, tengok kelihatannya di sini tetap tidak progress, tidak maju dia. Understand, Tian? Later, Tian, if you want to type again, use username. Baru chat Sir Juan. Sir, this is right or not? Ini benar nggak username-nya? If you forget it, your username and your password, chat Sir Juan. Semua siswa ya, all student, if you forget your username, ya please chat me. I will give again. Saya akan resend kepada kamu. Saya akan kirim ulang. Because your username and password saya punya. Saya simpan di sini. Understand all students ya? Ya, Dafarel.
Understand, sir.
Understand, sir.
Thank you. Dafarel, you already 5 ya? Okay, next. Dira Mumtaz. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay. This is Farica. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. One more Farica. Wow, so pity ya. Sayang sekali ya. One more. Anessa, wow, this is already ya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Already Anessa ya. Good, Anessa. Kamu tinggal menikmati poin aja. Okay, next week already have done also ya. This is until number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next week until here. Wow. Okay, good. Tinggal menerima poin saja. Anessa. Okay, next. Pluto IB9. Who is this? Still not yet login. Helen Christina. Have Helen here? Can you respond?
Yes,
If you have problem, Helen, chat me, Helen. I don't see your name here. It's mean, and this is also still blank, no green box. It's mean you never do in here. That's right. Belum pernah login.
Yes, sir.
Helen?
Sir.
Ya, Emmanuel.
Ini boleh Android, sir?
Ya, kalau Android-nya support boleh. Coba aja. You can try. Boleh saja kamu coba. Nanti kalaupun dia nggak support, ada beberapa bagian yang tidak bisa continue, Emmanuel. Tapi you can try. Try aja dulu. Ya, Emmanuel. Why you ask that, Emmanuel? You don't have laptop at home?
No, sir.
You just use smartphone ya. Ada smartphone.
Yes, sir.
Oke, Emmanuel, some students tell me, ada beberapa siswa yang mengatakan ke Sir, smartphone-nya ada juga yang bisa, semuanya bisa mendukung. Tapi ada juga sebagian di bagian 6 kadang dia nggak support, jadi dia black. Tapi you can try aja. Emmanuel, you already login? Pernah login?
Not
chat.
sir.
Oh, no chat ya.
Pacaran.
Kamu yang ini ya, 10 ya. Number 10 ya, Emmanuel.
Yes, sir.
Ya, later you try ya. Coba nanti pakai handphone, smartphone. If you don't understand how to do, you can watch the record Zoom yang tentang typing, atau nanti you can chat me. Ya, Helen also ya. If you have problem, you cannot do, you cannot log in, chat Sir Juan. Later I help you. Ivan, yeah, this is hard. This is Ivan. I think this is your smartphone, so cannot complete. Yeah, Ivan, that's right. Ivan Salomo. Oh, not respond. Okay, Janeta, ready ya, Janeta. Good, Janeta. Okay, next. Johnson, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Wow, Pluto IB 14. Leonel, not yet Joy, Login. Lourdes also. Haikal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
I'm sorry that I haven't watched, sir, but I already did some.
Okay, Leonels, yeah. Okay, Leonels, what you want to speak? Can you repeat?
I already did it, but I forgot to log in.
Oh.
I can. I have my computer right here right now.
Leonel Marcelino. Okay, Leonel, you have done, and you already logged it, but I believe you don't use the username Pluto IB14. You use the other username. That's right, Leonel?
Yes.
Leonel, you can refit, yeah. You can open your browser again and you can type typing.com and choose student login, and use username Pluto IB, this one ya. Pluto IB ini garis atau minus 14 and the password is Pluto ya. Password is Pluto. Okay, learners, later if you have problem to login, you can chat me ya. Sir Juan bisa juga meloginkan dari sini. Tapi I want ya, if you can ya, coba dulu kamu ya. Tapi kalau nggak bisa nanti Sir Juan akan bantu. Oke, Leonel.
Okay, sir.
Oke, thank you.
Sir,
Ya. Is that?
cara masuk ke sini kayak mana, sir?
Oke. Open your browser, Emmanuel. Browser itu boleh Google Chrome atau Google. And then nanti kamu bisa ketik di situ typing.com. Ya. Typing.com baru nanti login students dan nanti bisa kamu masukkan username kamu. Ya, Emmanuel Pluto IB 10. Kalau passwordnya semua Pluto. Oke, later ya Emmanuel. Kalau nggak bisa juga nanti bisa chat nanti. At 2 o'clock. Sir Juan nanti jam 2 sudah selesai Zoom. Oke, Johnson sudah, Haikal sudah, Oswald. Oke, Oswald ya. Oswald 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oke. Okay, this is Sarah, belum, not yet. Okay, no have again. Yeah, I hope the other student like this one, number 24, 23, 22. Yeah, please log in. Yeah, 20 also. Yeah, 20. This one, Salsali. Yeah, 19. Okay, students, this is every Zoom ya. Every Zoom, setiap Zoom itu Serjuan akan periksa ini. And I will give you point. So please ya, please log in. Please log in and do, dan kerjakan ya, kid. Please do it. Understand, students? So next Tuesday before Zoom, Serjuan will see again. Okay, now I want to share our material today. Please focus on your screen. Yeah, this student. Today we want to study about this. Yeah. But students, before I continue to the next slide. Yeah, this is student next Tuesday. Perhatikan kid your screen. Next Tuesday, you must finish your typing until box number 7 atau lesson 7 about O, B, and A key. Jadi students, I want to show again the typing. Next week ya kid, next week, you must finish until here kid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 until here. Understand, students?
Sir. Understand, sir.
Okay.
Sir. Sir.
Yeah, who's that? Asanda. Okay, who want to speak?
Sir. Me, sir.
Okay, Manuel, please.
Tadi I udah buka typing.com, habis itu ngapain, sir?
Okay, Manuel, ya. Coba like this, Manuel. Perhatikan screen. Oke, I try aja lah ya. Typing.com. Oke, enter. You see like this, Manuel. Ada seperti ini, Manuel.
Wait.
App like this. Ellen also for the student, ini saya ulangi lagi ya. If you want to log in, please look at this tab. Ya, sebenarnya ini kita udah ada di record.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, after that click this one, student login ya, student login. And here, type your name, type your username. I finish.
Student loginnya di mana, sir?
Wow. Okay, Manuel, later I send the record aja lah ya, tutorial. Ya, because we don't have time. Later, we don't have enough time. Emmanuel, later Serjuan send the link YouTube to log in this ya, the typing.
Okay, sir.
Ya, later it cannot also. Nanti kalau nggak bisa juga, nanti terbantu dari sini. Saya bisa meloginkan kamu dari sini. Ya, oke, Manuel.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, students. So next week you must finish until here, ya kid, until number 7. Yeah, until number 7. This one. Yeah, you must finish until here.
Sir, what is the class join code? I cannot go into the account.
What? Lionel, can you repeat?
What is the class join code? It said it needs a class join code.
So I think no need use class join that. Yeah, you login with your username and the password automatically, ya, login also. Directly login. Leonel, can you understand what I say?
What?
You already tried to login?
Yes.
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 So you already changed your profile, first name and last name?
No.
No. Okay. Lionel, okay. Coba itu di skip dulu, letter aja, letter I send to you ya. The step how to login. The important
never mind.
one,
I already got it. Never mind.
ya. Okay, letter I send username. If you forget it, ya. Nanti saya kirim juga Zoom record yang kemarin cara-cara the way or the step how to login in typing.com. Okay, students, look at this one. Kita mau belajar Excel dulu, how to make table. Ya, this is I think you already understand ya, because this is last week. Ini tentang pelajaran yang lalu. Last week we study about this one. Ya, Microsoft Excel, the definition of Microsoft Excel is one, a spreadsheet application to work with well numbers. Jadi kit Microsoft Excel itu kebanyakan ya, mostly itu kebanyakan menggunakan number, because in Microsoft Excel itu hitung kit. Ya, this is formula bar kit. Ini formula bar namanya kit. Ya, I believe if you still remember your project, we have project last time ya. You make also formula ya. Kamu juga menggunakan formula, rumus ya. This is formula bar. And this is worksheet student in Microsoft Excel. Kalau lembar kerjanya itu namanya sheet ya. Worksheet or sheet same ya, sama. And this it is page in workbook. Jadi itu merupakan halaman di dalam workbook. Namanya sheet kalau dalam Microsoft Excel. Active cell. Ya, ini active cell kit. Active cell is the selected cell. Look at here. Yang green lines, ada green lines ini, ketika kita klik cell, maka dia memiliki green line, itu namanya active cell ya. Oke, the next. Ya, this is workbook ya. Ini secara default ya, secara otomatis when we open Microsoft Excel, ini otomatis title-nya book 1 ya, book 1. If in Microsoft Word, kalau di Microsoft Word itu doc 1, dokumen 1 ya, dokumen 1. But in Microsoft Excel itu book, maka disebut dengan workbook. Ya, kit workbook is a file in Microsoft Excel. If cell, kalau cell itu kit seperti ini kit. Ini setiap yang kotak-kotak kecil ini kit, ini namanya cell ya. This is cell. Ya. So many cell ya. Jadi intersection of row and a column itu namanya cell. Oke, later student we want to practice how to make table ya. Bagaimana cara membuat table seperti ini kit. Perhatikan ini kit, have line ya, green line, have seperti table ya, kotak-kotak seperti ini. And how to do it? The first letter we must select first the cell that we want to make the border. Jadi kita nanti di select dulu, di block dulu cell yang ingin kita buat bordernya, and then choose this one, and then click choose all borders. Oke, students, we go directly, kita akan praktek langsung. We open Microsoft Excel here, ya. Kita klik in here, you can choose this one, Excel 2013, or atau siapa yang bisa cara membuka Excel, we can click also in start button. Ya, Emmanuel, start button. Di start button ini, ya, and then click. We can find Microsoft Office Yeah, this is one. This one, yeah. Microsoft Office 2013, and then choose Excel 2013. Okay. And here, kid, we can click this one. Yeah. The example, kid. The example. We want to make here penilaian. Typing. Number. Example, number. Nomor, name, and here score. Okay. We want to make here 1, 2, 2, yeah. And here we made the example Leonel. And here Emmanuel. And here Asanda. And here Christian. And here the example, we want to make the example Paricha. Yeah, Putri. Oswald. Yeah, Johnson. Example, kid. And here we want to make the score. Ya, ini contoh aja, kid. Okay, the example, ya, kid. Now we want to make this one like table. Kita akan membuat seperti table, ada garis-garisnya, kotak-kotaknya. If like this, kalau seperti ini masih, kid, ini tidak kelihatan kotaknya. We cannot see. Ya, the example we want to print. Kalau kita print nanti, kid, ini tidak ada garis-garisnya. Jadi bukan seperti table. If you don't believe, ya, Serjuan print preview first. Kita print preview dulu ini, kid. Perhatikan ini, print preview. Ya, you can see. Asanda, you see the line here? Kamu bisa lihat garis-garis kotaknya?
Yes, sir.
You can see, can you see the line? Ada garis kotak-kotaknya di sini?
No, sir.
No. Ya, berarti dia belum seperti table ya, belum jadi ya. No ya. Ya, now we want to make it. Kita mau buat itu dulu, kid. Ya, how the way? You must block first. Ya, perhatikan, klik here. Klik here. Ya. Ya, klik. And then you choose here, this one. Click this one. All border. Ya, sudah ada, kid. Tapi belum cantik ya, kid, tampilannya, kid. You want to make it smaller, this one. Numbernya, we make it small. Kita buat kecil, ya. Dan name-nya ini kan masih ada yang nggak nampak. Ini seperti ini, kid. Christian, Emmanuel, L-nya hilang. We cannot see. Kita mau besarkan kolom B-nya, yang name-nya, dan yang number-nya kita mau kecilin. Okay, how to do? Bagaimana caranya, kid? You can move your mouse pointer here, in here. Yeah, between A and B, have line. Put here, and then click. Klik dan drag. Kecilkan. Okay. And column B also like that. So if you want to make it smaller or bigger, same ya, tinggal drag aja. Klik here, drag. Okay.
Sir, kan hari itu kan apa, sir? Saya nengok my mom, dia tuh kan di pinggir, tiba-tiba bisa ke tengah, sir. Gimana caranya, sir? Kalau kita, sir, bisa ke tengah.
Apanya yang ke tengah? What in the middle?
Nomornya, sir.
Okay.
Kan dari ujung ke tengah. Kayak gitu ya.
Okay, look at nomornya, look at in here, skornya kamu lihat di pinggir. Ya, kita mau buat in the middle, di tengah. Kita block it. Ya, block, drag ya. Cara bloknya klik di sini dan drag. Ya, choose this one. Middle. Klik. Oke, sudah di tengah dia. Tadi kan di pinggir, kid. And now this one. Okay, this is number 1 and number 2. We want to make until here. Yeah, you don't need to type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ya, nggak perlu mengetik seperti itu ya, Kit. Di Microsoft Excel, kamu cuman klik ini aja di blok ini, blok 1 sampai 2, and then kamu move your mouse pointer here, sampai tanda tambah seperti ini, black, klik dan drag. Oke, langsung di otomatis, Kit. Secara otomatis. So, if you want to make the number until number 10 and number 100, example ya, sampai nomor 100, kamu nggak capek. You don't need to type ya, kamu nggak perlu mengetik, just drag aja. Oke, seperti ini lagi, Johnson. I give the example. To make, ini kan di pinggir dia. You want to make in the center, ya, you block dulu, block, and then, ya kita mau block ini, choose this one, center. Oke, sudah, Kit. Coba kita try dulu, Kit. Sudah ada nggak garisnya? Print preview. Asanda, you already see, you have seen. Tadi nggak ada, ini sudah ada. Ya, you can see that. Paricha, you can see the line.
Sir.
Okay. So that's the way how to make a line that it's seperti table ya. Okay, that's the way how to make. Okay, who want to try? I give time 2 minutes. Siapa yang mau coba buat line-nya, Kid? Who want to try?
Ay, mau, sir.
Who is that?
Johnson.
Okay, Johnson. Please, I give 2 minutes ya. Because we have time only 3 minutes more.
Okay.
Wait. I give you this one. Okay, please now. Please, Johnson. Start. You can move your mouse, my pointer here. Johnson, sir, want to know you use laptop or smartphone? Wow, what? You click. Cannot? Okay. Okay, who want to try, Kid? We have 1 minute more. Oswald, Tian, you want to try? To make this border? Okay, no one. Okay, we have 1 minute more. Okay, I think enough. Okay, jadi Kid, caranya di block, the way the block, and then choose this one, diklik ini, ya, and then all border. Kita klik, maka dia semua sudah ada bordernya. If you want to make it smaller, digeser aja, klik, ya, diklik di sini, geser. Okay. If you want to make this one bold, you can block, di block, dan choose this bold. Jadi semakin tebal. Okay, that's the way how to make border atau membuat table dalam Microsoft Excel ya, Kid. Okay, student, if you have question, please ask me. You have question? Okay, what is your assignment, Kid? Apa tugas kalian, Kid, next week before Zoom? Tell me.
Typing, Miss.
Typing until what? Until box number what?
7.
Okay. Until box number 7 ya. You have to complete. Jadi number 7 itu harus green semua, harus hijau. So I will give you point in class dojo. Okay, thank you student. Thank you for your attention. Keep spirit, keep healthy. Nice to see you again. See you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Sir,